So we got a 2015 GMC Sierra. Radio won't shut off. There's a little relearn procedure that we got to do. Right now we have the radio off, and we're just going to go ahead and show you how it works. So we're going to go around the passenger side. So we come over here to the passenger side. I already got this panel unclipped a little bit. You're going to take a little screwdriver and you just get in behind here and pop it out. That pops off. So down in here, see this 20 amp fuse? That's what we're going to want to pull out. So we pull this 20 amp fuse out, radio will shut off. Anyways, so the radio shut off. Give that there, I don't know, a minute. You're gonna have the lights and everything shut off in the dash. Wait until that's done. You go back, you reinstall the 20 amp fuse back in the same location. Then we can go around, we can close this door up. Go back around. We'll open the driver's door. Everything starts lighting up like it's supposed to. We're gonna take the key, put the key in, turn it in the run position without starting. Everything comes up on the dash. We have our radio again. So we can go back, select our radio stations. We're just gonna go ahead, close this door. I'm gonna make sure everything shuts off again before the customer leaves. So we're gonna shut the key off. We'll pull the key out, open the door, the radio will go off. So if your GMC or Chev truck does not, the radio does not shut off, head over to the passenger side, pull that 20 amp fuse with the key off and out of the ignition, pull it out, wait a minute, put it back in, put your panel back on, run back down around the other side, jump in the truck, test it out, see if it works, open your door, make sure your radio shuts off. So we're just going to try something else. We're going to turn our key on, allow things to load. It loads. We're going to shut our key off. We're going to leave our key in the ignition. Then we're going to open our door and make sure the radio shuts off. Radio shuts off. Perfect. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe. If this saved you a trip, make sure you hit that super thanks button. Leave a donation. Much appreciated. Have yourself a great day.